daily life. Man, animals, and plants need water. No one can live without water. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning homes, growing plants, washing clothes, and other things. We get water from many sources: rains, rivers, lakes, and ponds. We use this water by means of hand pumps, taps, and tube wells. Water is made dirty in this way. Some people throw garbage in rivers and ponds. Some wash clothes and utensils near water bodies. Animals bathing in water, throwing off waste from factories. We must drink clean water. We should boil or filter the water before drinking. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. We must try to save water not only for us but also for all the living beings on this planet. Without water, we cannot imagine the life on Earth. Almost 3/4 area of the Earth is covered with water, out of which only a small percentage is drinkable fresh water. So save water, save life, and save Earth. Summary: some people throw garbage in rivers. Dirty water is bad for health. We must drink clean water. Water is precious, so we should not waste it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon.